crap, that was 60. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be doing a little Harbor Freight toolbox review. Yeah, so let's get into it. So the lid opens pretty good. You know, the doors are okay. Close. Oh, don't mind that. You know, they open considerably well, but you know, you see these open and close really easy. But I don't even know what that is. But yeah, you know, not too bad. But now we're gonna do the durability test, and oh, whoops. Man, that didn't hold up to anything. You know, we'll just... yeah, I don't... It's not very durable. But, you know, the other one's, you know, still open and closed just fine. Well, that one's a little messed up, but I'm sure this will just go right back in there. Yeah. Whoops. So, yeah, dude, that worked perfect, you know. Just a little tap in, and I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty impressive. That it even opens and closes anymore. This one, you know, it's mint. But, yeah, I'd say it's pretty durable. I don't know what that was. But, you know, it's pretty good. See how easy this side dents. Oh my gosh! Almost fell off. Okay, guys, so aside from, you know, the review of the Harbor Freight toolbox, we got a new workbench, and we also cleaned up the garage, like, a lot. I mean, it's still, like, dirty and everything. We gotta finish cleaning all this. First time I really showed you guys the garage at all. But, this is, like, the Jeep update, because now I'm actually going to be able to get my stuff in here and actually work on it. You know, we got plenty of space. I already took the head off that because I'm going to be getting an XR70 running next weekend when I go to my dad's. I'll be making a video on that. But yeah, anyway, that's like the update on the Jeep. So I'm going to probably be getting my frame in here this week. Maybe. I don't know, whenever we get that cleared out and this cleaned up a little bit more. But yeah. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing a lot of Jeep videos on building it and everything. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot nicer working here than out in the yard and stuff like we were before. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I thought it was pretty funny. So yeah.